Today's topic is dogs as a man best friends. The dog are the best friends is widely accepted and usually settlement that reflect strong and unique bond between the humans and dogs. This relation has evolved over thousands of years in deeply and rooted in history, culture, and biology. The dogs are domestication of dogs is believed in have standard thousand year ago, which dog being one of the first animal to be domesticated by humans. The initially dog were likely for practical purposes such as hunting and guarding. Over time, this role expanding to include compensation and dog that the dog also known as the for their unwavering loyalty and compassion. They form strong emotional bonds with their human, often becoming integral part of family. The loyalty of dog is a showcase in various real life stories where dog have display act as a hero sim and receive their owner or provide emotional support. The dog has also are also known to provide emotional support and comfort. They have been to reduce stress and anxiety and depression in their human competition. So the therapy dogs are used in various settings such as hospital, school to provide emotional support and assistance to individuals in need. So dogs have proven to versatile in their roles, surviving as a working animal, service dog, and searches and rescue dog and more. The different breed have specific skill and characteristics that make them suitable for various tasks and highlighting their adaptability and utility of dog. The benefit of dog is the composition of dog has been like linked into various health benefit of their owners. So study have shown that the owning dog can lead to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease and increase the physical activity and the act of caring for dog, including regular walks and play, promotes a healthier lifestyle for owner and the unconditional love. Dogs are known for their ability to unconditional love and they do not judge their owner and are accepting of them regardless of their circumstance. The emotional connection from the dogs is described as unique and profound. The idea of a dog as a man-based breed is deeply integrated in a cultural symbol and expression. The dogs are often quoted as a conversation in a literature and art and popular media. The culture of significance of dogs is evident various saying stories and even the representation of dog as a loyal sidekicks hero in movies and books. So the conclusion of this story is that the dog are man best friend and encapsulate the multifaceted relationship between the humans shared with dogs. This bond is built on a loyalty, compassion, and unique quality that makes dog as a integral part of our lives. So these are the all things the dog has a big man has a bit. So dog is very loyal and purpose of this. So thank you.